Hello and welcome back to Broken Gear Garage. So I'm going to change it up a little bit and we're actually going to do a box opening of what I got from my 84 GMC. So I'd like to appreciate and give a shout out to Competition Products. Went through their online services and bought this part from them. Yes, I opened it to make sure everything was in there that I ordered, but this is what they sent me. Is a new camshaft kit from Howard Cams. So we are going to be putting that in the pickup truck. And then it came with stickers, their broom sheet list, and a parts catalog. So if you're looking for anything with small box, big box, or anything like that, check the competition products out online. I'll leave the email, or not the email, but their website on description and stuff like that, and check them out and see what they got for your vehicle that you're looking at updating or upgrading, or even just need new parts because they're worn out. But this is what it looks like. I'll give you the spec sheet because I printed that off. But here's the camshaft inside the box. Nice little thing to lift open here. And of course, if you want to, you can follow Howard Cams on Twitter and Facebook. But it came with some break-in oil. Here's the kit for the lifters. All hydraulic, flat tap it. Nothing real special, but it's nice that they come with fresh oil still in the container so they're not dried up or anything like that. And then here's the camshaft with a sticker in it. I know I didn't take the camshaft out of the wrapping. I just checked it as is and everything looks good. You got the little spec sheet in there. So I'm going to go through the spec sheet that I printed off and the part number of it, which will be left in the description if it's going to be something you guys are looking into getting, or if it'd help you out. But, so, here's a spec sheet. Printed off of their website. This is the part number HRCMC 112001-14, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. But it is a Howard's Cam Max certified cam and lifter set, hydraulic flat tapper, tap it, with 5-year no fault warranty. This is all the information if you want to pause and read it all for yourselves. But then it is camshaft lifter set, application for small block V8 262 to 400s from 1955 to 1998. Fire and order OE 184366572. Hydraulic flat tappet. Basic RPM range 600 to 4800. And then manufacturer description: smooth idle, strong low end, high vacuum, good fuel economy. Which it's not going to be anything special, just a little extra out of the engine. And then intake duration at 50 is 201. Exhaust duration at 0.050 is 207. Advanced advertised intake duration at 0.060, 0.006, 255. Advertised exhaust duration at 0.006, 261. Intake valve lift with OE rocker ratios of 1.5 is 0.410. exhaust valve lift with OEM rocket ratio at 1.5 is 0.420. Intake lobe lift is 0.273. Exhaust lobe is 0.28. Intake valve. You got all the specs here, which I'm going to just let you finish, pause right now and you can go through it if you want to. But it's just a little bit more peppier than original. Yeah. Just kind of reading through it too. I haven't really read through it in a while. That should be it for. Yep, the other one just saying that it's added oil, or that it comes with brake and lube for it. And it is lobe separation of 114 degrees, intake center line of 110. We'll open this up and check these out. Give you a picture of what the actual cam is. Degreeing your cam intake center line method. So if you want to pause and go through this, you can. It's with the camshaft, so you get a new camshaft kit, it will tell you what to do and stuff like that. So then it shows you these little pictures. And all this little word, or all the little details it gives to it right here in the serial number. So hopefully that helps you out, and hopefully you check out competition products and see if they have anything that you need for your project that you're working on. And hope you have a good day. Like, subscribe, and share, follow, and if you want to, you can comment on here. And hope to see you guys next time. Thanks.